Home remedies for common cold and cough. Cold. Steam can thin mucus and help it drain from your nose. Cover your head with a towel, lean over the bowl and breathe in the steam. Rest. Your body needs to rest in a warm, comfortable place to help your immune system fight the virus that caused your cold or flu. Stay home and take time off work or school if you need to. Fluids. Drink plenty of fluids. Water or diluted fruit juices are great choices to stop the membranes in your nose and throat getting dry and keep your body well hydrated. Garlic. If you often get sick with a cold or flu, eating garlic can help reduce your symptoms or prevent your illness entirely. Tea. Using ginger, cinnamon, honey, lemon, tulsi leaves, boiled with water, effective for cold to get relief. Tulsi leaves and ginger. Considered as a sacred plant in Hindu belief, tulsi leaves can fight off a range of infections including colds and cough. To get rid of cough and cold, take 1 cup of water and add tulsi leaves and a small piece of ginger. Cuff. A cuff is supposed to protect you. It gets out stuff that doesn't belong in your lungs and might bite like inhaled dirt or food. Gargle. A remedy may seem relatively simple. The sound of water gargle can help soothe a scratchy throat that causes you to cough. Warm water or fluids. Warm water also helps in flushing toxins build up in the throat, providing relief from a sore throat. Ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough as it has anti-inflammatory properties. Honey. A popular home remedy for cough is mixing honey with warm water. Tea. Take a sip of your favorite hot tea as the ginger juice is elementary and hydrating. Steam inhalation. Even without an allergy, warm steam can help moisturize throat and prevent illnesses such as fleas, and a severe cough caused by mild infection or allergy. Stay healthy, happy. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.